Dear children, welcome back to our class. In this module, we are going to learn subtraction with regrouping method. Read the line. Find the difference between 9041 and 6952. So here, first of all, you have to find the minuend. This is also 4 digit and 4 digit. So compare this and find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest number? This is the biggest number. So I already told that you have to write from the right side. Leave some space and write neatly. First I have written the minuend and then you have to write the subtrahend. 5, 9 and 6 and then write the subtraction sign also. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So what is the number in the minuend? Take the first place. What is the number in the minuend? 1. Take one finger and can you close two fingers? Is it possible? No. So this is the smallest number, isn't it? So you should not replace this number like this. You should not swipe it, okay? But instead of that, we have to borrow one from the neighbor. If you don't have a pencil inside the classroom, if you need a pencil, very important, you will get a pencil from your friends and then you will use it, is it? In the same way, here we want to subtract it, but the enough number is not here. So we have to subtract one. We have to borrow one from the neighbor. So who is the neighbor? Tens place is the neighbor. So you can take one from this tens. So if you take one, this will be 3. 4 will be 3. 4 becomes 3. Now what you have taken? No. So that number you have to write before this number. 1 is there. So we have taken 1, isn't it? So 1 tenth we have taken. So it becomes 11. 1 tenth and 1 ones. Already it is here. So that is 11. Now you can think that this is the biggest number. Now you can subtract it. Can you take 11 fingers in your hand? Totally we have 10 fingers. You no need to go for your foot fingers. Just you can add the we can add backward direction. Okay. What is the number here? 2. So close all your fingers. First you have to close all your fingers and then keep this 2 in your mind. 2 after 3, you can open one fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11, you have to open all your fingers. So now you open your fingers and you can count it. How many fingers are open in your hand? Check it. Is it 9? Yes, it is 9. So the answer is 9. If you have a confusion whether you have done it properly or not, when you are opening the finger, you did it correctly or not, you may have a doubt, isn't it? So that time you can add these two numbers now. 9 in your mind. Take two fingers. 9 after 10, 11. So I got this number, isn't it? So what we did is correct. This is a verification. Okay. So sometimes you may confuse it. What we did is right or not. So that time, once again you can do this addition. If you get this answer, so you can conclude that that is the correct answer. Do you understand, children? Next, 3. Take 3 fingers and close 5 fingers. Is it possible? No, not possible, isn't it? So we have to borrow one from the neighbor. The neighbor this place also 0. It doesn't have any value, isn't it? So we have to borrow from here. Okay, now you couldn't borrow one number from here directly. You couldn't borrow like this. You have to go step by step. So you can't borrow it directly from here. So you have to just borrow one from here. So this becomes 8. This becomes 10. Okay, now you got 10 in this place, isn't it? Now you can borrow one from here. So this becomes 9. This 3 becomes 13. Do you understand? So you have to go step by step, not directly. Okay, now you can subtract this. Close all your fingers. Keep 5 in your mind. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Have you opened the 8 fingers? Yes. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 6. Again, you can, if you have a doubt, you can verify this. Add these two numbers. 8 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got this number. So this is correct answer. So 9 minus 0, this we have to add these two numbers. So 9 plus 0, 9. Now you have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 2, 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 6 after 7 and 8, isn't it? So we got 8 here. So this answer is correct. So if you have a doubt, you can verify the answer like this also. Do you understand, children? So finally we got the answer. Difference is equal to 2089. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children. Have a sweet day.